Facebook, YouTube at it again. We're in Waterloo, Illinois, and we're doing a client that found us online, saw our testimonials and reviews, booked on the spot. And we're doing 4 areas of carpet cleaning. They just bought this house, beautiful home for their parents, and that's what we're doing. So 4 areas, and then we'll go on to another job. We have another carpet job, and then upholstery, and then after that, I have another estimate for hardwoods, and then a tile estimate as well. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. I did give them one of our new spot outs, complimentary, any kind of service we're doing. Man, what a gorgeous day it is out here. Let me show you what we're doing. 4 areas. So we got this area right here. Now we do include the steps as an area. And then we got the masters. You can see just how heavily sealed it is. And then we're also going to do the walk-in closet. We're going to throw that in since they're a new client. Although we usually charge $30 for that, but we included it this time. Got Bridget CRBing, and then we got this area over here, another bedroom, and then we got this area where she just CRB'd, and that's it, guys. So there's that. Like I said, we got another 3 areas after this, and then hardwood estimate, and then a tile and grout estimate as well. So that'll be our day. Hope you guys are doing well, and if you're in the Midwest area, St. Louis area, Monroe County area, enjoy this beautiful weather. It's hard to believe it's late July. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're cleaning out the carpet bedrooms now. It's responding very well. So that residue coming out. Again, they're getting ready to move in. It's going good. Nothing like clean, fresh carpet. Make it hygienic, make it look great. Let's steam sanitize the fiber yarns as we speak. Send it back to the original condition. So you can enjoy your carpeting for many years to come. And again, remember, you often hear me say, if you follow me, the biggest filter in your home, guys, is your carpet. Second is your HVAC system. Third, your furniture, and fourth, of course, is your hard surfaces. That's why it's very important to get your carpeting and your fabrics clean on a regular basis, so you can reset not only the filter, but also reset the iron pile as well. So just a little tip of the day, guys. And also, too, if you have a warranty on your carpeting, it actually keeps your warranty valid if you get it cleaned every 12 to 18 months. By a certified IICRC company like ourselves or someone similar. Of course, we do warranty work, which is our maintenance clean. We do maintenance, warranty, and restorative. So, the tip of the day, guys. If you're new to our channel, welcome. And if you are already subscribed, we appreciate your support. Plenty of valuable content ready and available for all homeowners, guys. We also have a YouTube channel, a Facebook channel as well. YouTube, Instagram, and the like. So, or you can go to our website at AOCleaning.com. Alright, guys, well, we're just going to finish up and see you in the after work.